Beloved Azur, what is the best way I can inform my non-Ahmadi Muslim friends that I am an Ahmadi Muslim? And what is the best way of handling those people who hold negative sentiments about our Jamaat?
Try to understand why you are an Ahmadi. You see, you should know that we Ahmadis believe that according to the prophecy of the Holy Prophet ﷺ and according to the promise of Allah Ta'ala, a promised reformer will come in the latter days to revive the true teaching of Islam. Now every Muslim believes that that reformer will come and he will call Mahdi and Messiah. And we believe that that person has come in the person of Hazrat Mirza غلام of Qadian. That is what we believe. This is why we are Ahmadis, because he has come to revive the true teaching of Islam. When your fellow students and fellow friends will see that there is some significant change in you, you are different from the other Muslims. You offer 5 daily prayers. You read the Holy Quran. You know the meaning of the Holy Quran. You are morally good. You are not involved in any bad things. Then they would know that these are the people who are different from us. And then they would try to listen to you. If they are Muslims, you can tell them, this change in me is only because of my acceptance of the Prophet Messiah al-Islam. Right? And this is what we have been saying, and I have been explaining in my speeches and addresses, that quite a number of new converts have completely changed their behavior, their attitude, their whole lifestyle. And after having seen them, their close relatives, their friends have asked them, how did this change happen in you? And they would explain that this is the reason, because now I have seen the true teaching of Islam and I am practicing it. This is why it has changed my whole lifestyle. And now I am a practicing Muslim. So if you set your own example before your fellow friends, before non-Ahmadis, then they would know that he is an Ahmadi boy. Even at this young age, he has close relation with Allah Ta'ala. He offers 5 daily prayers. He reads Quran. He practices what he says. Then they will listen to you. And this is how you can remove the negative opinion about you from the minds of those people. So you will have to change yourself. First you understand what you are. Okay?